What's up, everybody? We'll get started here in just a minute. Just wait for everybody to get in and get settled. All teams are claimed. All teams are paid for. Nothing available tonight. But we will be doing this break again. I don't have anything up yet, but I will try to get one up potentially next week sometime. As far as basketball goes right now, I've got a select hanger break up for Friday. So if anybody wants to break some select hangers with me on Friday, that one's up for bidding. I think that's the only basketball break I've got up though for the rest of the week. But Optic Cello boxes have not disappointed yet. Hopefully they do not disappoint tonight. We've been pulling some really nice hits out of these Cello boxes, so hopefully that continues. If you're in here, feel free to jump in on chat. Let me know who's here and who you got. I'm going to go ahead and get started. We got 24 total Cello packs. Each of these Cello packs comes with a 12-card pack plus a 3-card Blue Velocity pack. Hopefully we see a lot of our big names tonight in Blue Velocity. What's up, Mike? All right, first pack. Brooke Lopez, Bojan Bogdanovic, Eric Pascal, Jeremy Grant, Bogdan Bogdanovic. Oop, got a card stuck behind there. John Collins, Daniel House. Got a purple rated rookie, Elijah Hughes for the Jazz. Nice hit for the Jazz. Team color, purple. Damian Lillard, T-321. Silver rated rookie, Devin Dotson for the Bulls. And we got a couple rated rookies behind it. Isaac Okoro and Nico Mannion. Yeah, I saw you grabbed. Who'd you grab? You grabbed the Kings in this one. See if we can find you some Halleys. All right, first Blue Velocity pack. We got Sekou, Blue Velocity for the Pistons. Boom! Anthony Edwards right off the bat. Man, I tell you what, these Cello boxes have been friendly to the T-Wolves. We've had some decent luck with the Hornets too, but man, the T-Wolves, we've been pulling Anthony Edwards like crazy. Blue Velocities, purples. Nice hit. There you go. That's Jacob. Right off the bat, Jacob hitting big. And Cassius Stanley for the Pacers. So 2 rated rookies in that Blue Velocity pack. Bradley Beal, Dwight Powell, Paul George, Tyler Hero, Rajon Rondo. We got a backwards card. This might be an auto. What do we got? Jerry West for the Lakers. NBA logo, Jerry West. Nice hit for the Lakers. Who's that going to? It's going to Robert. That is sweet. Signature Series Jerry West. And then a silver My House Giannis for the Bucks. Jamal Murray T-321. My House Steph Curry. Rookies Daniel Oturu, Obi Toppin, and Nick Richards. Blue Velocity, we got D'Angelo Russell. R.J. Hampton. And Theo Maledon. Another 2 rated rookies coming out of that pack. Harrison Barnes, Malcolm Brogdon, Steph Curry, Josh Jackson, Aaron Gordon, Darius Garland. Got a purple Winter Stays Shaq for the Lakers. Express Lane Steve Nash. Ray Allen Winter Stays. Rated rookies, we got CJ Ellaby, Precious, and Desmond Bain. Blue Velocities, Anthony Davis, Mitchell Robinson, and Ja Morant. Nice hit for the Grizzlies. Brandon Ingram, Jaren Jackson Jr., Kevin Knox, Donovan Mitchell, Eric Gordon, Devin Booker, Kelly Oubre. Got a purple Anthony Davis T-321. Express Lane James Harden. Winter Stays Steph Curry. Rated rookies Cassius Winston and Devin Dotson. Thomas Bryant, Terry Rozier, and Jaylen Brown. No rookies in the last couple packs. Brandon Clark, Kyle Lowry, Miles Bridges, Cam Reddish. Looks like we got a pink in here. I think the pink are numbered. James Harden, Paul Millsap, Damian Lillard. This pink is a rated rookie, and I think it's going to be out of 25. James Wiseman for the Warriors, numbered 20 out of 25. Wow, congrats Warriors. That's a huge hit. Warriors going to Jason. Man, what a box we've got so far. We got Anthony Edwards, Blue Velocity, and a Wiseman pink out of 25. We got a splash Devin Booker. Jason Tatum silver for the Celtics. Rookies Xavier Tillman and Jalen Smith. Blue Velocities, we got Al Horford, Karl Anthony Towns, and Pascal Siakam. Might have to take Jerry West down for James Wiseman. R.J. Barrett, Joel Embiid, Jason Tatum, Chris Paul, P.J. Washington, Rudy Gay. There's a De'Aaron Fox purple for the Kings. His team color there. Kawhi Leonard, My House for the Clippers. Giannis, Air Defense. Rated rookies, Cole Anthony, Trey Jones, and Kira Lewis Jr. There's a nice one for the Bucks. Giannis, Blue Velocity. There's a Denny for the Wizards. And Jameis Ramsey for the Kings. Josh Richardson, Keldon Johnson, Dante DiVincenzo. Got some cards stuck together here. Cody Zeller, Kevin Porter Jr., Ricky Rubio. Got a silver splash, Tyler Hero. It's a cool one there for the Heat. Express Lane, Gary Payton. That one's going to the Thunder. Zion, My House. Pelicans. Another Anthony Edwards. Base. Cassius Stanley. And R.J. Hampton. Blue Velocity, Michael Porter Jr., Isaiah Stewart, and Peyton Pritchard. Two more rated rookies, Blue Velocity. Yusuf Nurkic, Trae Young, Buddy Hield, DeAndre Hunter, Kawhi Leonard, C.J. McCollum, Josh Okogie, purple Peyton Pritchard. Celtics. Peyton Pritchard's another one we've been having some good luck with in cello boxes. We pulled an on-card auto of his out of 25. We've pulled Blue Velocity. We've pulled Purple. Lots of Peyton Pritchard. LeBron T-321. Silver Kelly Oubre Jr. Skylar Mays. And Tyrese Maxey. Blue Velocities, we got DeJounte Murray. Kevin Huerter. And Kevin Durant for the Nets. Marcus Aldridge, Rudy Gobert, Lauri Markkanen, Spencer Dinwiddie, Nikola Vukovic, Elfrid Payton, Gordon Hayward. Got a purple splash, Damian Lillard for the Blazers. Express Lane, Ja Morant. Winner stays, Dwayne Wade. Rookies, Isaiah Stewart and Peyton Pritchard. J.J. Redick, Julius Randle, Ben Simmons. Thomas Bryant, Terry Rozier, Giannis, Luka, Derrick Rose, Jarrett Culver, purple My House, Ja Morant. Another nice one for the Grizzlies. Express Lane, that's Pete Maravich. Dirk Nowitzki, winner stays. LaMelo Ball, base for the Hornets. Tyler Bay and Devin Vassell. DeAndre Ayton, Devin Vassell, and Skylar Mays. Marcus Smart, Alex Caruso, Montrezl Harrell, Lou Williams, Tobias Harris, Andre Drummond. Got Steven Adams, purple for the Pelicans. My House, Donovan Mitchell. Jamal Murray, splash. Tyrell Terry, Onyeka Okongwu, and Saban Lee. DeMar DeRozan, Onyeka Okongwu, and Saban Lee. All right, last cello pack in box number 1. Still got a whole another box to go after it. Sekou, Anthony Davis, Mitchell Robinson, D'Angelo Russell, Domantas Sabonis, Ja Morant, Jaylen Brown. There's a purple Otto Porter Jr. D'Angelo Russell, splash. Chris Paul, silver. Rated rookies, Josh Green and Jaden McDaniels. Duncan Robinson, Jamal Murray, and Jonas Valanciunas. All right, that'll do it for box number 1. All right, now that we got a little more room, get Jerry West back up there. All right. Cello box number 2. Al Horford, Karl Anthony Towns, DeMar DeRozan, DeJounte Murray, Paul Millsap, Damian Lillard, Aaron Gordon. Got a purple Andrew Wiggins. Shaq winner stays. Looks like a silver rated rookie. Oh boy. Cole Anthony Silver. Big hit for the Magic. Who's got the Magic in this break? It's going to Eric. Nice hit, Eric. Silver Cole Anthony. And Kenny Martin Jr. and Zeke Naji. All right, blue velocities. We got a rated rookie in the front this time. Theo Maledon. Landry Shamet. Kristaps Porzingis. Kyle Kuzma, Jonathan Isaac, TJ Warren, Mo Bamba, Jonas Valanciunas, Pascal Siakam, Kevin Durant, Sadiq Bey purple. Nice hit for the Pistons. Off to a good start with this box. Ben Wallace winner stays for the Pistons. Silver CJ McCollum, Isaiah Stewart, and Peyton Pritchard. Isaiah Stewart, Peyton Pritchard. Pritchard coming up big again. I think we got base, we got purple, now we got blue velocity. And Seth Curry. Kristaps Porzingis, Tim Hardaway Jr., Nikola Jokic, Mikal Bridges, Seth Curry, Landry Shamet, PJ Tucker, and a purple Terry Rozier for the Hornets, Trae Young, My House, Miles Turner Silver, Skylar Mays, and Tyrese Maxey. Blue velocities, Cassius Stanley, R.J. Hampton, and Mike Conley. Cody Zeller, Lonnie Walker, Zion, Jackson Hayes, Nikola Vukovic, Elfrid Payton, got a purple Thomas Bryant, T-321 Kawhi Leonard. LeBron James, My House. Daniel Aturu, Obi Toppin, Nick Richards. Saban Lee, Ricky Rubio, and Rui. Devontae Graham, Victor Oladipo, Karis LeVert, Norman Powell, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Jarrett Allen, James Harden, Purple Splash for the Nets. There's a Luka Splash for the Mavericks. Express Lane, Kemba Walker. Rookies Tyrell Terry, Onyeka Okongwu, and Saban Lee. Oh my gosh, Anthony Edwards again, blue velocity. 2 of them. 1 in each box. It is crazy how lucky we've been with Anthony Edwards in these cello boxes. I feel like we've pulled a blue velocity of his out of almost every one of the boxes we've opened. Another big hit for Jacob. Colin Sexton and Carmelo Anthony. Chris Middleton, LeBron, Russell Westbrook, Goran Dragic, Gordon Hayward, Kevin Porter Jr., Ricky Rubio. Got a purple Joker for the Nuggets, My House. Chris Middleton Splash. Express Lane De'Aaron Fox, Josh Green, and Jaden McDaniels. Tyrell Terry, Mavericks. Onyeka Okongwu. And Kevin Porter Jr. Eric Bledsoe, Markelle Fultz, Rui, Carmelo Anthony, Colin Sexton, Mike Conley. Got a silver Express Lane, Trae Young for the Hawks. Winner stays LeBron. Express Lane, Donovan Mitchell. There's another LaMelo for the Hornets. I tell you what, both these LaMelos that we've pulled, really nice centering. Oh, well, this one's a little heavy on the top maybe, but the other one looks pretty darn good. Yeah, the first one we pulled I think has the best centering, but this one's pretty good too, just a little, maybe a little top heavy. Tyler Bay and Devin Vassell. Killian Hayes, Elijah Hughes, and Seth Curry. Luke Kennard, De'Aaron Fox, Otto Porter Jr., Steven Adams, Davis Bertans, Zach LaVine, Silver Devin Booker My House. Nice hit for the Suns. Winner stays Kawhi Leonard. James Harden T-321. Jameis Ramsey, Sadiq Bey, Malachi Flynn. There we go, Sixers. Tyrese Maxey, Blue Velocity. Nice hit for the Sixers. Gordon Hayward and Markelle Fultz. Miles Turner, Kemba Walker, John Wall, Christian Wood, Ben Simmons, Andrew Wiggins. There's a purple Giannis. Another nice one for the Bucks. Bucks hitting big on Giannis tonight. Devin Booker T-321. Luka Doncic, My House. Another Anthony Edwards. Big break for the T-Wolves. Cassius Stanley and RJ Hampton. Oh, man. Wrong Hornet. Vernon Carey Jr., Blue Velocity. Colin Sexton and Devontae Graham. A couple of Hornets in there, but not the one we're looking for. Lugens Dort, Bam Adebayo, Kevin Love, Jimmy Butler, Kobe White, Kyrie Irving, Draymond Green. There's a purple Luka. Nice hit again for the Mavericks. Kyrie Irving, My House. Silver Kemba Walker, Patrick Williams, and Jordan Nwora. Devin Vassell, Blue Velocity for the Spurs. Skylar Mays for the Hawks. Elfrid Payton, Knicks. Wendell Carter Jr., Serge Ibaka, Klay Thompson, Danilo Gallinari, Blake Griffin, Fred VanVleet, Drew Holiday. There's a purple Express Lane Kyrie Irving for the Nets. Air Defense Kawhi Leonard. Express Lane, Jamal Murray, Theo Maledon, and Denny Avdia. Blue Velocity, Kenyon Martin Jr., Rockets, Zeke Naji, Nuggets, and Ricky Rubio, T-Wolves. All right, everybody, last cello pack. Last one. Good luck. DeAndre Ayton, Duncan Robinson, Jamal Murray, Joe Ingles, Zach Collins, James Harden, Winter Stays Purple, Kyrie Irving, got a Splash Kemba Walker, Express Lane Allen Iverson, Aaron Nesmith, Robert Woodard, and our first Tyrese Halliburton. Last cello pack. There we go. Last Blue Velocity. Tyler Bay, Nikola Vukovic, and Eric Bledsoe. Empty box there. All right, we got a ton of top-loaded cards here. A lot of Blue Velocity rated rookies in this box, or in these two boxes. So all of those are top-loaded. All right, do a recap here for you guys. Still getting some of this stuff top-loaded. All right. Devin Vassell. I'm not going to say Blue Velocity every time because you guys can see it. Skylar Mays. Kenyon Martin Jr. Zeke Naji. There's a Luka Purple. Patrick Williams base. John Morant. Sadiq Bey base. Couple more here. We got Tyler Bay. Tyrese Halliburton base. Maxey. Giannis Purple. Luka My House. Anthony Edwards base. Big break for the T-Wolves. Vernon Carey Jr. Blue Velocity. Devin Booker Silver My House. Tyrell Terry. Onyeka Okongwu. There's LaMelo Ball base. Killian Hayes. Elijah Hughes. Joker Purple My House. Luka Splash. Anthony Edwards Blue Velocity. We saw two of those tonight. Splash Purple James Harden. RJ Hampton Blue Velocity. Cassius Stanley. LeBron My House. Saban Lee. Tyrese Maxey base. Sadiq Bey Purple. Isaiah Stewart. Peyton Pritchard. Theo Maledon. Cole Anthony Silver. Sorry, I was looking at the Anthony Edwards and pulling the Cole Anthony up. Cole Anthony Silver. Definitely, probably one of the nicest silvers we've pulled out of Optic so far. Big hit for the Magic. Cole Anthony base. Saban Lee. Onyeka Okongwu. Devin Vassell. Skylar Mays. John Morant Purple My House. Purple Splash, Damian Lillard. Tyrese Maxey base. Kevin Durant Blue Velocity. Peyton Pritchard Purple. Zion My House. Anthony Edwards base. Isaiah Stewart. Peyton Pritchard. Tyler Hero Silver Splash. Denny. Jameis Ramsey. Giannis. Theo Maledon. RJ Hampton. There's a Giannis Silver My House. Elijah Hughes Purple. Devin Dotson Silver. Cassius Stanley. And a Steph Curry My House. We had a few up here on the board. Another LaMelo base. Another Anthony Edwards Blue Velocity. the Signature Series Jerry West auto for the Lakers. And might be the hit of the night, actually. James Wiseman, the pink out of 25. 20 out of 25 for the Warriors. Might be the hit of the night. So congrats to everybody on the hits. Again, we've got basketball on Friday, doing 20 select hangers on Friday. And then as soon as I get some more Optic Cello boxes in, I'm going to do another couple breaks like this one with the Optic Cello boxes. So looking forward to that. Appreciate you guys joining tonight. I will get all this stuff packed up and mailed out tomorrow. And I will, let's see, tomorrow I'll be doing some absolute blasters of football. And then Friday, of course, we've got the select hanger break and another break along with that. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. Have a great night.